So to negate things, we just use 不 all the time. Put 不 before what you want to negate and then you're good to go. But with this now, it's a bit different. Here we say 没有, 没有. So if we want to use 不 together with 有, doesn't really work like that. The only time where we can't say 不 to negate something is really when we say 有. I'll tell you more about this rule later. So just remember for now, 不 cannot be used with 有. We have to say 没有. We've already learned that expression, or I've mentioned it earlier. Hopefully you still remember that. So people might laugh at you if you actually do this. 不有, 不有 is definitely a no-go, no-go, no-go. Please do not do that. Please do not say that. It sounds very weird to Chinese ears. The reason here, like I said, is because 有 can only be used in, and I haven't actually mentioned this before. I might have mentioned it in earlier videos, but anyways, the reason is because 有 actually refers to past tense, as in you have something, but like as in I possess something, but it also means I have done something, like an experience. So that's why that's why you have to use 没 when you want to negate it, because it can refer to past tense as well. But again, more about that later. That's how you can use 没有 as well. For now, let's just focus on it as it is, like having a thing. We can say, for instance, I possess a. This is a spoon from an earlier video. I possess a spoon, or I don't possess a spoon. Then I could just say 没有, 没有. We cannot say 不有. Just remember that. This is very, very common, a very, very common expression. So next video now, we'll ask these people then, do you have any mayo, like mayonnaise? But then we'll shorten the English word here from mayonnaise, and we'll just say mayo instead. And note how mayonnaise sounds very much like, basically identical to mayo, as in no have. So we'll ask them, do you have mayo? And well, let's simply see what it sounds like.
So you know that mayonnaise is also mayo, and let's try this.
要跟什么酱呢？
你们有没有mayo？
没有。
没有mayo？
没有。
它没有mayo？
真的没有。
没有。
So that was mayonnaise, and we don't have mayonnaise. Mayo sounded a bit funny, I think, at least. Hopefully you can remember it like that. It works for anything though, saying mayo. So so this is another example actually. If you go into a store, you ask them, do you have this? Then they can say, no, we don't have this. And this example goes with Coke. I asked them, do you have 可乐? He said, no, we don't have 可乐. Let's have a listen. 你好，可乐有没有？没有。没有。没有可乐 as in Coke. Oh, 没有 no have.
Hello.
We're wearing communist hats. That's because we are at
天安门.
Tiananmen. In English you say Tiananmen as well. What does it mean, Anne?
Wow, heaven peace door.
Heaven, Tiananmen.
Men.
Yeah, so heaven peace door. Wonderful.
Yes.